Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For all of you that this is your first time on my channel, my name is Jelena. I am mom of 2 kids and I'm a stay-at-home mom. On my channel I make mostly cleaning and organizing videos and anything that has to do with motherhood. If this is not your first time on my channel and you've been following me for a while, I want to thank you for supporting my channel. Little over a month ago, I teamed up with 2 wonderful ladies, Courtney Cole and Chessa Kelly, and we started a challenge, self-care, self-love challenge for the month of May. What we basically did is that we took a time in a day, every day in month of May, to do something for ourselves, and I am so happy I participated in this because that made me take time for myself. Otherwise I probably wouldn't have done it. Now in this video I wanted to share with you how my pamper routine looks like. What is it that I do when I have a little more time at the end of the day, when my kids are in bed and when I have time to relax. I really hope you will enjoy watching this and maybe get a motivation to do something like that for yourself, because you deserve it. You think maybe you don't have time, but trust me, finding time for ourselves is essential and you will feel so much better afterwards. I really hope you will enjoy watching this, and if you do, please give it a thumbs up. It will mean a lot to me, and also I would love to have you on my channel. If you're not already subscribed, click that red subscribe button and just join my channel. And make sure to go and check out Chessa's and Courtney's channels and their videos about their pamper routine as well. I will have their channels in a description box down below. Okay, let's start with pampering.
First thing I like to do when I start my pampering routine is to lit the candle. This is one of my favorite candles from White Barn. Candle always sets me up in a relaxing mood.
Behind the scene, they're picking up the pieces of all broken hearts.
I like to take extra long showers. I'm not so much of a bath girl. I like to have a good long shower. Every few days I like to use this sugar lavender body scrub that I made, and it was very easy to make. The only thing you need is a jar of a kind, sugar. I had a cane sugar on hand, then baby oil, and I like the sensitive kind, and then a lavender essential oil or any oil of your choice, and then a label. What I did is just pour the sugar in a jar. I added baby oil, and I was just adding until I got that wet sand consistency. After that, I add a few drops of lavender essential oil, and that's it. What I like about this scrub is that not only that it peels the dead skin off of my body, and I like to use it especially on knuckles, on my elbow, knees, and wherever I have a hard skin. I also love that it has a baby oil, which afterwards leaves the skin so soft. And lavender essential oil just makes it so much more relaxing.
At night, a light.
Next part of my pampering routine is my face. I have my electric face brush and my favorite face wash, which is Clean and Clear Morning Burst with oxygen, and I'm almost out of it. So I wet my face, and after that I apply my face wash on my face brush, and in a circular motions I just clean my face. I do this once a week.
To the moon, making my skyline brand new. You, you get my heart in trouble. Make a beat, sing a tune, giving my life this whole groove.
As I'm getting older, I realized how much I have to pay attention at my face and make sure to take a proper care of it. I really like this brush and how my face feels afterwards. It feels so clean and so soft.
We come to life, and I believe in coloring the world. Gotta holler to be heard in time. We can fight back, ready to go right back to the sky, to the moon, making my skyline brand new. You get my heart in trouble.
And to finish it off, I use my L'Oreal anti-wrinkle cream and I apply it all over my face and my neck.
Get my heart in trouble. Tonight I wanna hide away, and I can feel us flowing to the sky, to the moon, and making my skyline brand new. You, get my heart in trouble.
I hope you enjoyed a sneak peek of my pampering routine. It is a very short one, but I enjoy it a lot. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you. Hope you find time to pamper yourself as well. Enjoy your day, and I will see you next time. Bye guys.